You can't break a person who's not afraid to eat alone, who's not afraid to be rejected, who's not afraid to lose friends in the process. Because that person, they've already faced the silence. They've already sat with loneliness. They've already learned how to clap for themselves. You can't bring down someone who stopped waiting for validation, who turned their pain into power, who turned their wounds into wisdom. That kind of person, they're held up by something stronger than applause. They're fueled by something so powerful called self-respect. And once you learn to stand on your own, they can try to push you, but you won't fall. If you're not following the Vowzen, you will probably never hear my voice again. But if you are, congratulations. You're growing every day.